Hello, water signs. So this is your bonus reading. This is Mercury retrograde in Taurus, no? Nandito po tayo sa season na yon. And this is a quick guide, no, or quick reading when it comes to romance. Idadissect po natin yung singles. Meron siyang quick reading. Mutual relationship, meron siyang quick reading. In a relationship, so, ibig sabihin wala pang kasal, pero meron ng relationship. Couples, may kasal na. In separations, no? Titignan din natin yung mga naghiwalay. I-discuss din po natin yung mga sa jobs and finances. So, for those who are looking for job, for those who are seeing or looking for promotion, and for those looking for increases, no? Or taas ng sahod. When it comes to general, this might be a general reading also doon sa mga agam-agam natin sa buhay gustong gawin. We will also discuss your lucky number and your lucky color. So for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate. Hit that notification bell po para ma-notify tayo every time tayo gumagawa ng live reading, no? Or nagre-release ng bagong reading. Kung gusto nyo ng live sa kabilang channel po yun, Babaylan TV. Yun po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience, no? So again, this is general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or bits and pieces of it. Let's start sa single. Single. Ready, no? Pero sino? So, ganyan. Singles, ready tayong pakipagrelasyon. Pero, kanino natin ibibigay ang puso? Pwedeng ready ka na nga pero wala pang nanliligaw. Ready ka na nga o wala ka pang napupusuan. No? Meron ng mga nakapaligid. Pero kasi ang nga sa'yo, madami ka pang question, madami ka pang gustong malaman sa tao, marami ka pang gustong malaman din sa sarili mo. Pwedeng gusto mong mag-explore. The Five of Pentacles, the Nine of Wands, and the Hangman. So parang kahit merong tao dyan, baka sinasabi mo na, pwede ko ba siyang pagkatiwalaan? Meron ka ng trauma with the Five of Pentacles dahil doon naiwan ka nga from the past. So nakikita ko naman with the Nine of Pentacles and the Temperance, sinasabi nito na try, do not procrastinate. Pwede ka naman mag-try, huwag mo lang ibigay ng buong buo, pero nakikita ko with the Four of Wands, baka ito na yung hinahanap mo, no? So try to explore, yun ang sinasabi sa ating singles. How about doon po sa may mga mutual understanding? So which means walang label, pero nagkakamabutihan na, no? With the Devil card, the Two of Wands, and the Two of Cups. Oops, maghinay-hinay po tayong ibigay ang ating puso masyado, no? Kasi nakakita ko ng control. I'm not seeing a good sign on this. The Seven of Swords and the Ten of Swords. Naku, baka either kakabreak lang nito or you are in a third-party situation, no? Baka kaya ganon, no? With the Six of Cups, the Fool card, and the Queen of Wands. Ang sinasabi po sa inyo dito, ang advices, no, or ang advice this season is kausapin yung mabuti. Kasi lalo na kung bago-bago to, or kung meron kayong age gap, no, kausapin yung mabuti, make it clear, kasi I don't like the energy na baka mapunta kayo sa third-party situation nang hindi nyo sinasadya, no? So, ingat-ingat po doon sa may mutual relationship or mutual understanding. So how about doon na sa meron ng relasyon pero hindi pa kinakasal? No, sa mga may relasyon na hindi pa kinakasal, I feel like this is going to be elevated into something really serious, no? I feel like in the past, medyo masungit ang tao, no? In the past, medyo ayaw niya na nag-share ng information. Pero nakikita ko, things are changing. Nagiging vocal na siya. Nakikita ko na patungo ito na investment sa'yo. I feel like ito na yung time para, kung kumbaga sinasabi niya sa sarili niya, I need to put this connection into another level of commitment, no? So makikita mo yung investment niya sa iyo. It could also be money. Probably binibigyan ka niya ng money, time, energy, effort, or gifts, no? So makikita mo yung changes this season. So congratulations. So how about doon sa mga couples, may anak, basta kinasal? We're not talking about kung anong religion yan, kung paano sila kinasal, basta kinasal, no? Or sabihin natin meron ng mga anak, no? With the Three of Wands, the Two of Wands, and the Two of Cups. So, ang nakikita ko naman, maganda yung drive ng connection kasi merong isang taong focus, no? When it comes to the connection, yung relasyon mismo. I think that ito yung sabihin natin tao na merong experience na from the past, no? I think nagkaroon kayo dito ng challenges, pwede nagkahiwalay kayo para hindi na maulit, no? Someone is really focused on the connection and you're doing a good job, whoever that is, no? Nakikita ko dito the world card, things are changing at pabuti ng pabuti ang relasyon nyo. There's no perfect relationship, so mabuti nga at nagkakaroon kayo ng chance, ng chance para ayusin ang mga problema. So, take advantage of that situation, no? Be very vocal. Also, ipaliwanag mo din kung bakit ginagawa, no? Pero nakikinig naman. So, congratulations dun sa mga couples. Things are getting better or best, actually. How about doon sa mga couples in separation? So, meron ng separation, whether it is physical or energetic, no? With the Seven of Cups, the Page of Pentacles, and the Ace of Swords. Nako, nasa options na. Siguro kaya hindi siya masyadong sumasagot ngayon because someone is already exploring, no? And I feel like nagkakaroon na dito ng inisan or naiinis na yung isang tao kasi less na yun nakukuha niya. Bakit kamo? Kasi I feel like the person is already exploring with the Five of Cups in here na parang siguro may isa dito nagsisisi bakit, hinayaan ko siyang gawin ang mga bagay-bagay, no? Instead of love, may namumulong galit, no? Ayan po ang aking nakikita dito. So, let's move forward sa mga jobs and finances for those people who are actually looking for job. So, for those people who are looking for job, the High Priestess, the Five of Pentacles, and the Nine of Pentacles. Nako, sundin nyo yung kutob nyo na kung kailangan nyo mag-apply doon, go ahead. Hindi nyo kailangan magdalawang isip, wala namang masama, no? Di kung tatawagan kayo. Kung hindi, di hindi, no? It's alright to take chances. Sa panahon ngayon, nakikita ko dito, kailangan yung sumugal, no? Wala namang masama, no? Magpasa lang kayo ng resume with the Nine of Pentacles, isa doon sa pwedeng sinasabi yung feeling nyo na hindi ka masyadong pinapansin o hindi mo pinapansin kasi baka sinasabi mo sa sarili mo, ay, ano to sa akin, mukhang malabo akong makuha. Don't. Go ahead, no? Walang masama. Doon po sa mga umaasa for promotion, the Temperance, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Five of Wands. Napakadaming competition, no? Equally great ang nakikita ko dito. Pero sinong nagwawagi? Ikaw pa rin. Nakikita ko dito, you're gonna be, parang may apprenticeship, no? It might not be the actual promotion, but apprenticeship is here. So, titingnan, do your best, titingnan yung galing mo. So, do your best. Doon po sa mga looking for increases. Ayan. Sa increase, pwedeng may latency or delayed lang. Pero yung increase na makukuha ninyo, either 6 to 8% ng salary, yun po ang makukuha within this season. And congratulations kasi this is a wish fulfillment. So tingnan natin in general, no, kung ano ang message para sa inyo. In general, no, for water signs in general. The Judgment, the Hangman, and the Knight of Swords. So, ang nakikita ko dito, maging meticuloso sa mga bagay-bagay, no? I think na meron, kumilos din tayo, wag puro isip, no? I think that we are being consumed by our procrastination. Make a decision. With the Seven of Wands, the Two of Swords, the Ace of Wands. So, gawin mo kung ano yung sinasabi ng puso. I feel like hindi ka ililigaw nito with the Ace of Pentacles and the Six of Wands. I feel like masyado tayong nagiging sa sobrang pagkamitikuloso. Medyo tinatanong natin, um, ma- pinapangunahan natin kasi pinipreempt natin, magsasucceed ba ako dito or not. If this is your passion, do whatever it takes na gawin mo siya. And I feel like everything is going to follow, especially when it comes to finances, it's gonna follow. No? So your lucky number is number 21. And your lucky color is blue. No? So yan po ang inyong reading. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. And kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading, sa kabilang channel po yung Babaylan TV. No? So maraming salamat po. Kung meron kayong questions, sa comment section po. No? Love and light, namaste, and see you on the next live or the next reading. Goodbye. Hi, fire signs! Welcome po sa inyong bonus reading. This is a quick guide on this season, which is Mercury in Taurus. So, nandito tayo sa Mercury in retrograde with Taurus, no? So, hihimay-himayin natin ang stages ng relationship or romance. Mag-start tayo sa reading kay singles, sa mga singles. Then, susunod po sa mga may mutual relationship, so walang label. Doon po sa mga in relationship pero hindi pa kinasal. Doon po sa mga couples, meron din po tayong quick reading, at doon sa mga in separation. I-discuss din po natin ang job and finances, no? For those who are looking for job, may mini reading po siya. For those who are looking for promotion, meron din pong reading. And for those who are looking for an increase, and then magkakaroon po tayo ng general reading, your lucky number, and your lucky color. So kung gusto niyo po yan, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell para ma-notify po tayo every time na tayo gumagawa ng bagong video, no? So kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin, sa kabilang channel po yun, that is Babaylan TV. Yun po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audiences, at nagla-live din po tayo doon sa kabila, no? So kung wala kayong time, no, pwede rin naman po kayong magtanong, no, dito po sa ating YouTube video, no, sa comment section sa baba, as long as yung question is answerable by yes or no. So magsimula po tayo sa singles. Singles, 6 of Cups, the 10 of Swords, the 4 of Cups. So, fire signs. Medyo napag-iiwanan tayo from the past. Kasi ang tibok ng puso natin is past pa rin. Baka trauma lang ito, o baka ayaw mo muna magjowa ngayon kahit may mga taong nakapaligid. Kasi because of what happened from the past, the Hierophant and the Chariot, no? Umaasa tayo na meron, na babalikan tayo ng tao sa nanaiwan, no? With the 9 of Swords, the Ace of Wands, and the 2 of Swords. So kung naghahanap ka naman ng karelasyon, singles, I feel like kailangan mo munang i-heal. This is actually a message. Kailangan mo munang mag-heal and make sure na ready ka na. Kasi ikaw lang yung kakaibang singles dito apart from all those 3 elements. No? Sa'yo parang dahil yung puso mo is more of tinitibok pa rin yung past. I think do not jump into a relationship right off the bat. Kasi either it will just be a waste of time or baka makasakit tayo ng tao. So yan po ang ating message, no, for those who are single. How about for those who are in a mutual relationship? So walang label po ito. Basta po nagkakaintindihan po, no? So, alam naman natin ang meaning ng mutual relationship o mutual understanding. So, nakita ko naman dito is napakaganda ng bigayan ng energy, no? Parang kung ano yung ginagawa ng isa, ginagawa din ng isa. I feel like papunta na ito into a deeper meaning of commitment kasi ang kulang na lang siguro dito is yung formality, no? Para maging in a relationship. Madaming tanong. Iiwan ka ba nito? Ipagpapatuloy ba nito? I feel like just continue, no? Yung magandang samahan ninyo. I feel like this friendship or situationship is gonna go into a more deeper meaning. And I feel like you're going to jump into a romantic stage or in a relationship. And speaking of, so nandito na tayo sa relationship stage, pero hindi pa kasal. So tignan natin ang reading ng mga in a relationship pero hindi pa kasal. With the Fool card, the Four of Cups, and the Two of Swords. So nakakita ko dito na parang merong sumisingit, no? Na bago, and I don't like that. Kasi parang I feel like mas pinapaboran. Pero ang nakikita ko naman dito is you're holding on into the connection kahit nasasaktan ka na. I feel like a little obsession also with the Three of Swords, masakit na, pero you're staying. And I'm not saying na kailangan mong umalis. Yung, kumbaga, you're bearing the pain, and I can see justice in here naman, na this is just a pace of what is happening, no? I feel like, since wala pa naman kayo sa kasal-kasal na yan, someone is trying to explore. And maaayos naman to, no? Bubuti din ang lagay for those who are in a relationship. So how about those people who's already a couple? So meron ng kasal, meron ng agreement, no? We're not talking about yung religious wedding, kung anong religion nila, hayaan natin sila, no? Basta kinasal sila. Or those couples na meron ng anak, no? The Magician, the Page of Swords, and the Queen of Swords. So, ang nakikita ko naman dito, may isang tao talaga na parang super focus lang doon sa ating, kumbaga, work, project, no? Which is the relationship. May gusto tong ma-achieve. I think kung wala pa kayong anak, gusto niyo magkaanak. Kung meron kayong anak, gusto niyo nang sundan. With the Knight of Wands in here and the Hierophant, ang pinaka message lang dito, no? Do whatever it takes kung yun talaga yung goal ninyo. Pero make sure na you are capable also, no? To stand on sa ginawa ninyo, no? Kung maging firm tayo. Kung gusto nating dagdagan ng anak or kung gusto nating magkaanak, make sure na meron naman tayong pangsustento. No, hindi lang basta init lang ng katawan kasi nakikita ko it's more of a fiery energy between you two, no? Yan po ang nakikita ko sa inyo. When it comes to those couples or magkarelasyon na in separation na, let's check the update for the Mercury in Taurus, no? The Ten of Pentacles, the Temperance, the Seven of Swords. So I feel like meron ditong paghingi ng tawad kasi I think na dumating tayo sa third party, no? So ang masakit lang dito, dumating nga sa third party, tapos iniwan ka, no? Ikaw naman tong siya yung hihingi ng sorry sa'yo as if walang nangyari. Yung sa'yo may tampo ka pa no? Bakit mo naman ako ginanito? Bakit mo ako iniwan? I feel like pabalik na ito, pero you're not fully healed. Fire sign, may konting ayoko muna kitang kausap, no? Pero ang sincerity naman ng kanyang paghingi ng tawad is sobrang totoo, no? So let's jump into another level or department of our being, which is job and finances, no? Tignan natin ang mga taong looking for job, di ba? So this is also important, no, aspects of our life, hindi lang puro puso, no? Balikan mo, no? Kung meron na-reject ikaw o ni-reject ka nung company, it's okay to go back and mag-reapply. I feel like this time makakapasok ka na. This time it's your chance to be in that company. I remember something, no? I applied for a specific company and I was rejected. And ang ganda-ganda kasi ng kumbaga reputation ng company that time. So hindi ako sumuko. I applied and then I was rejected again. And then I make better, kumbaga pinangako ko sa sarili ko na makakapasok ako diyan. This happened, no, talaga in my life na parang sinabi ko, sige, sa iba muna ako and then make sure na kapag nasa level na ako ng kanilang qualifications, I made sure na mag-a-apply ako. And I did make it, no? So, ganun lang, no? Apply lang tayo ng apply kung yun talaga yung company gusto natin. Feeling ko ito na yung season para makakapasok kayo. How about yung looking for promotion? So, the Sun, the World card, and the Knight of Swords. So, ang nakikita ko naman dito is, it may not be this season, but I can see a promotion. I feel like around August, September, no, around that season, nakikita ko na ang promotion mo. How about for those who are looking for an increase? I feel like parating na rin. Now, although hindi masyadong maganda ang nangyayari sa romance ng ating fire signs, when it comes to finances and jobs, good job naman, no? May bawi talaga. Ang increase mo is, I think, from 2 to 4% of your salary. So, congratulations, agad-agad. So, when it comes to general, no? General message for our fire signs. General message, the 8 of Cups, the 7 of Cups, the 5 of Wands. So, mabilis tayong nanawa, no? Mabilis nating bitawan lalo na wala tayong nakikitang pag-asa. With the Judgment, the 4 of Cups, and the 10 of Wands. Huwag na natin masyadong ipaglaban ang isang bagay na meron na tayong gut feeling, no? Kumbaga sinasabi na ng sarili natin na bitawan mo na, tigil mo na, no? Humanap na ng iba, no? Kumuha na ng options. So, yun po ang message sa inyo in general. So, your lucky number is 21 and your lucky color is beige. Yan po. So, this is your reading. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. So, maraming salamat po, no? Love and light, namaste, and see you po sa susunod ng reading. Goodbye. Hello, Earth signs! Welcome to po sa inyong bonus reading. So this will be your quick guide dito po sa Mercury in Taurus. Ayan. Ito po yung season, no, ng Mercury and Taurus season. So since this will be quick guide, madami tayong mga stages na ating tatalakayin. So again, this is bonus also in general. So take what's only yours, no? Sa romance po, ating i-discuss very quickly mga singles, ang mga mayroong mutual understanding or nasa mutual relationship, ang mga nasa relationship na which is hindi pa naman kasal, couples which is mga kasal na or may pamilya na, and for those who are in separation. We will be also discussing yung jobs and finances doon po sa mga naghahanap po ng trabaho, looking for promotion, and looking for an increase. There is also a bonus message here when it comes to general, your lucky number, and your lucky color. So for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. At kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yun, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audiences. At sa live session po, you're very much welcome. Pero kung wala kayong time, no, dito po sa comment section, dito po sa YouTube, pwede po kayong magtanong as long as yung question is answerable by yes or no. Opo. So, this is again a general reading. Take what's only yours. So, simulan na natin. Singles ng Earth's sign. The Moon card, the Six of Pentacles, and the Justice. So, medyo hindi natin alam kung kanino tayo either kung kanino natin ibibigay ang puso natin, no? Siguro madami tayong crushes or madaming nagkaka-crush sa atin, no? Syempre meron tayong favorite, no? Pero kahit ganun pa man, parang natatakot kang sumugal kasi parang kung sino sa kanino ko magfo-focus, ayan, nauutal, no? With the Seven of Swords, the Knight of Wands, and the Seven of Pentacles. Siguro meron din ditong partly no konsensya kasi feeling mo na I'm betraying someone, no, kasi nga multiple ang ating choices, ganda, no, o gwapo. Yan. Pero gusto nating mag-move pero ayaw din nating magkamali. Since madaming choices, syempre you want the best for you, no? Nag-aantay-antay tayo with the Ace of Wands and the Three of Swords. Either doon po sa mga nag-aantay na ibigay ang kanilang sarili, you're on the right path. Kasi doon po sa mga binigay, yung sarili nila, I think na medyo kumbaga, binigay yung sarili, which means may nangyari, okay? With the Three of Swords, medyo parang na-disappoint sila. I don't know, I don't wanna dig in kung bakit na-disappoint, no? Probably it's the size, it's the performance, or baka mali naman yung taong binigyan nila, no? Kasi may dumating na option. I don't wanna dig into this kasi baka maban tayo, no? So this is for those who are in single. So how about doon po sa may mga mutual relationships. So, tignan natin. When it comes to those people na merong mutual relationship. So, let's check. So, walang label to, no? Knight of Swords. Or Knight of Cups, Eight of Swords, and the Five of Swords. So, either isa sa inyo or parehas kayo, no? Na parang check ng each other's account. So parang meron ng, hindi pa man sila, meron ng konting obsession. May selos na nagaganap, no? With the Judgment, the Page of Pentacles, and the Devil card. So medyo intense itong Devil card on top of the Seven of Swords kasi since this is in a mutual understanding, it felt like someone already is in love or deeply in love with the other person kahit wala pang commitment. Three of Swords and the Two of Wands. I feel like madaling magselos kung sino ito. I feel like merong obsessions din, no? Dito sa mutual relationship. This could be you, this could be the other person. So, medyo nasa ibang pace na yung isa. Then yung isa parang, okay, we're just mutual relationship. No, parang I'm just riding on. So, ito po ang nangyayari sa may mutual relationship, no? Earth signs. So, how about doon sa meron ng relationship? So, let's check here doon sa meron ng relationship. So, which means, ano na to, couple na, no? I mean, in relationship, pero hindi pa kinakasal. Ayan. So, Page of Swords, which in reverse, that makes sense kasi wala pang ang agreement, no? Or signing of a contract. But I feel like gustong-gusto na nitong magpakasal or magkaroon ng pinanghahawakan, no? For a few numbers of you probably nandun kayo sa live-in stage, no? Kasi parang ang gusto niyo dito, kailan ba pero hindi pa binibigay itong kasal, no? With the Knight of Wands, the Seven of Swords, and the Queen of Pentacles. Parang feeling ko dito, those who are in a relationship, nabigay mo na lahat, no? Nag-i-invest ka na rin. Kaso ang feeling mo, Ano bang meron? Kasal ba siya sa iba? No, nagtatanong ka with the Seven of Swords, gusto niya ba ako? No? So madami kang agam-agam, but you are still in this sort of parang you going with the flow. Pero kung tatanungin ka, gusto mo nang mapunta ito into another level of commitment, no? So let's check about doon sa mga couples, no? About the couple. So which means meron ng kasal or meron ng pamilya. So let's check here for couples. Couples. Earth sign, the Two of Pentacles, the Emperor, and the Ace of Wands. So nakikita ko lumalamlam ang sex life, no? What I'm trying to say here is parang hindi na ganun ka-affectionate, ka-passionate, no? I think meron na ditong parang naging ice of yung heart nila, no? Parang nagyelo. What I'm trying to say is, I just mentioned, nagyelo. Parang naging frigid, parang lumamla, parang nawala yung tamis, nawala yung passion, nawala yung sabihin nating um, init, kumbaga. I feel like probably buntis yung isa, no? Or nakabuntis. That's the thing. With the full card in here, I don't think na hindi sila magiging ganyan kung wala naman pong reason. This full card is kind of like new also. So, bago-bago lang to. So, nakakita po ako ng medyo sabihin natin third party, no, na gumugulo sa inyong relasyon. So, how about dito po sa mga in separation? So, which means meron na hiwalayan, whether it is physical or energetic, no? So, for those who are in separation, the Queen of Cups, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Chariot. So, I feel like umalis na yung isa. For a few numbers of you, this might also be part of the LGBTQIA plus community relationship. Yung isa hinahanap, yung isa truly move on na. Wow, to a point wherein pumunta ng probinsya. So there's really a physical separation in here, whether the other person is from a different city, state, county, or went to a different city, state, county, country, different barangay, no? Meron na talagang ganon. With the King of Pentacles, the Strength card, and the Six of Swords. I think na yung sa iba sa inyo, meron kayong negosyo ba, no? Na pinagsasaluhan, or merong isa ditong energy na nagbi-bridge sa inyo. And I think that this is going to be casual, and this is going to be maayos naman, pero not the same as before, no? For the sake of probably the child, I feel like you're better off without the person, no? Yun po ang meron sa separation. So let's talk about yung job and finances. So are we looking forward dun po, no, sa mga looking forward sa job? Matatanggap po ba kayo sa trabaho? With the Eight of Swords, the Two of Pentacles, and the Three of Wands. So nakakakita ko dito with this season, medyo hindi po maganda ang lagay ko kayo naghahanap ng trabaho. I'm seeing a stagnation. And I also feel like meron tayong part kung bakit hindi tayo nakukuha kasi parang minamaliit natin palagi ang ating sarili. Meron tayong nadadaanan pero sasabihin natin sa sarili natin, ay hindi naman ako para dyan or ayoko yan. Yun, meron talagang total rejection. No? Or meron sinasabi, ay naku, magagaling lang yun dyan or magaganda lang kinukuha dyan. Or sabihin natin, yung kumbaga, mas tinitignan mo yung wala ka kesa kung ano yung may iaambag mo. So this is for those who are looking for job. How about doon sa mga looking for promotion? No? The Four of Swords, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Three of Pentacles. I feel like this season, hindi pa din, pero malapit siya. Wala mang promotion, pero ang nakikita ko naman, nag-jump ka na agad din sa increase. Kunin na natin ang cards for increase. And ang maganda naman, doon sa increase, parang nag-shift ito, no? Okay, simulan natin sa promotion. It may not be this season, pero malapit na katulad ng sinabi ko with the star in here, there's an elevation. With the Justice card, I feel like if not next month with the Page of Pentacles, you're meant to be promoted, okay, but not on this season. With regard to for an increase, meron ng increase, no? It may not be that much, pero itong season na to, this is the gateway para ma-achieve mo yung increase, no? So congratulations. May maganda balita pa rin naman when it comes to finances. So how about general? So earth signs. In general, no, the Queen of Wands, the Queen of Swords, and the Two of Cups. So what I am seeing in here, medyo maghinay-hinay po tayo when it comes to trusting a person. No, dapat nating panatilihin ang maging mabusisi, no, sa mga or magtanong. The Magicians, the Hermit card, and the Five of Cups. Kasi nakikita ko po dito na parang sa sobrang tiwala, no, parang madi-disappoint tayo. Hope hindi naman tayo maloko, pero may disappointment dito. Always be on the Hermit side. Okay lang magtanong as long as, no, yung pagtatanong naman hindi naman yung pangungulit ng sobra-sobra. Yung relevant naman yung tanong, no? Yung tungkol doon sa pinag-uusapan ninyo. Kasi meron ka ditong gustong ma-achieve dahil gusto mo lang papasok ka bigla, no? Wag po ganon. So tingnan natin, baka may contract, no? Basahin natin maigi, baka meron doon mga maliliit na mga kung ano-anong nakalagay, hindi natin nakikita, pinirmahan natin. So ayan po ang inyong general, no, earth signs. So ang iyong lucky number is 22 and ang lucky color is moss green. So yan po. For those of you who's new to the channel, please do click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, Babaylan TV, no? At nagla-live din po ako doon. So you're very much welcome mag-join. So kung meron kayong mga tanong dito po sa comment section, love and light, namaste, and see you on the next live or next reading. Goodbye. Hi, air signs. So, meron tayong bonus reading ngayon, no? We will be talking about the stages, no, ng romance. Nagsimula ito sa single. If you are single, then that will be your reading. Mutual relationship or mutual understanding, meron ding separate reading. Very quick, no? In a relationship, meron din yung hindi pa kinakasal. So, meron din dito for couples, no? Ito yung mga kinasal na and those who are in separations, no? We will tackle all of those. For jobs and finances, we will be looking forward to the reading, no? Na for individuals who's looking for job. Also, we will be checking, looking for promotion, looking for an increase, no? And in general also, no, we will be having a reading. Your lucky number and lucky color, so napakaganda, napakadaming bonus. This is for Mercury in Taurus reading, no? So for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin, don't forget to click that our international channel, that is Babaylan TV. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, you're very much welcome, no, air signs. Kung wala naman po kayong time, no, that's okay. Pwede naman po kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Okay? So, air signs for singles. Simulan na natin. The Page of Swords, the Chariot, and the Ten of Cups. Wow. Air signs. Jowang-jowa na, no? I feel like ready na. Ready na tayo sa pagkakaalam natin. Handang-handa na tayong makipagrelasyon muli, no? I feel like itong sinasabi nating relasyon na ito, gusto mo sanang magtagal, no? Mas gusto mo sana yung for a few numbers of you may ibang lahi, no? Or not purely kumbaga tribo, no? Um, if we're gonna go back in history, it could be also, let's say, Tagalog, no? Gusto ko siguro Bulakenyo, no? Or taga Cavite, no? Yung ibang tribo, no? For a few numbers of you, baka gusto naman ng ibang lahi talaga, like foreigner, no? I think like nagkaroon sila ng bad experiences from the past. Singles, ayan na nga, with the Two of Swords, the Eight of Wands, and the Nine of Cups. Two of Swords is clarified by the Eight of Pentacles and the Page of Pentacles. Wag po sa katrabaho, ha? Yan ang nakikita natin dito sa singles. Wag po sa katrabaho kasi may hirapan kayo na kumbaga magkaroon ng communication, magkakaroon ng instead of mutual understanding or magkakaroon kayo ng simula. It's not that, no? Wag po tayo dito sa katrabaho for now, no? On this season sa Mercury in Taurus. Now, ang communication dito, I think like kailangan nyo nang mag-explore, no? At kung meron na kayong exploration na nagaganap, meron mang little challenges, pero nakikita ko magtutuloy-tuloy. So go for gold, no? Huwag nating ipahiya ang bandera ng Pilipinas. So go for it. Nandoon ang inyong kapalaran, no? For those who are having this mutual understanding relationship, so with the Six of Swords, the Strength card, and the Three of Swords. Nako, hindi maganda ang nakikita kong, kumbaga, flow dito sa, for those who are having this mutual relationship, no? Kasi parang pain lang, kasi yung isa, Gina, no? Gina to sabihin natin, magkaroon ng, maging sila. Pero yung isa, ayaw pa, no? I think that there is complacency, no, dito sa, or satisfaction. That's why I'm having complacency. Kasi, pag sinabi natin complacency, okay na, nasa-satisfied na rin ako dito sa nangyayari. Bakit kailangan ko pa ng relasyon? Kasi nakukuha ko naman lahat. I think that there's just something about the control here. With the Death card and the Knight of Wands, so nakakalabuan to, on and off na, no? I think for a few numbers of you, those who are in a mutual relationship, merong pain, no? Hindi tayo masyadong masaya. I think that we are also considering other options. We are considering also, or probably someone here is already talking someone online. It's a very new, no? That is for those people who are into the mutual relationship. How about for those who are already in a relationship? So magjowa na, no? Pero hindi pa kasal. So magjowa na pero hindi pa kasal. With the Four of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords, and the King, the Knight of Wands. I mean the King of Wands. Knight of Wands, actually. Someone is in control of this connection. Dapat lang naman, no? Kasi meron na kayong agreement. Ang nakikita ko dito, someone is very, let's say, protective of the connection. Someone is very protective of the relationship per se. Someone is really holding on into the connection too tight. Wala naman ding reklamo, no? So parang sabi lang ng isa, okay, so pagbibigyan kita, actually, this is too tight. With the Eight of Swords, the Four of Cups, and the Five of Swords. Now, ang babala lamang, no, dun sa sobrang nag-hold in too tight, baka naman nasasaktan na or nawawala na masyado ng kalayaan, no, itong ating karelasyon. Baka meron ditong hindi na siya masaya o baka nagsisisi. Ang mahirap dito kasi the Four of Cups is on top of the Knight of Swords. Knight of Wands. Chances are, baka pag ito napuno, humiwalay, di ba? So, medyo anuhin lang natin po siya, no? Ating i-balance, no, ang paghawak sa relasyon. So how about doon po sa mga couples na, 'di ba? So when we say couples na, ito yung may kasal na, pwedeng may anak na, pwedeng wala, basta meron silang agreement, no? With the death card, legal agreement ha, the Ten of Wands and the Strength card. So ang nakikita ko dito, meron ding mga challenges. For a few numbers of you, baka yung isa nahihirapan, no, how to fix the issue. Meron talagang challenges dito na parang yung isa ayaw pa munang ibigay yung makipagbate, no? Separations is here physical or energetic, no? With the Three of Pentacles, Three of Cups. I love the Three of Cups showed up here, even with the Seven of Cups are here. Siguro pinagsiselos lang yung isa. And then yung isa naman, ayaw naman din give in doon sa selos, no? Basta gagawa ako ng paraan makuha kita uli. Now, with the Ten of Wands, with the Queen of Pentacles and the Devil card in here, I think marami ditong sinasabi nating mind games na nangyayari sa doon sa mga couples who are in relationship, no, para lang makuha yung gusto nila, even yung kabila hindi naman ibinibigay. So medyo madamot, no? In a way, kasi bakit naman ako magsiselos kung alam kong show lang naman ito, no? At hindi totoo. So yun ang nakikita ko dito for couples. So how about doon sa mga may separation? So quick guide lamang po ito kasi bonus reading, ano. So for those who are actually in separation, I feel like with the Five of Wands, Four of Swords, and the Judgment, clarified, I mean, underneath here is the Justice, the Four of Wands, and the Two of Wands. I feel like pinagsaselos din ito, no? Baka nakakakita kayo ng picture may kasama, no? I think this is intentional. Kung meron man ditong kayong pinagseselosan, it's not actually true with the Four of Swords. Wala talagang nangyayari sa kanila, no? Actually, ikaw pa rin yung mahal. In fact, pwedeng ginagamit dito yung third party para ipagselosin ka, no? With the Justice card, the Four of Wands and the Two of Wands, I feel like pag pinagpatuloy mo itong no reaction, babalik siya sa'yo, no? Nakikita ko dito na for those who are in separation, pinanggigigil niya lang kayo or pinagsiselos, no? So yan po ang inyong reading when it comes to romance, air signs. So let's tackle or discuss itong jobs and finances. So doon po sa mga naghahanap po ng trabaho, no, for those who are looking for job, with the Star, the Ten of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles. So nakikita ko dito, medyo stagnant po ang paghahanap natin ng trabaho. It may not be on this specific season. Although, hindi ko sinabing hindi kayo magkakaroon ng bagong trabaho. Magkakaroon kayo pero not on this season. Pero may bawi naman. Kasi yung makikita nyo yung trabaho dito with the Ten of Pentacles, that is the highest form of the abundance, no? And the Star, I'm seeing here na ito matatagpuan yung trabaho. I think something about encoding, database, no? Something in here na magkakaroon kayo dito with the Star, promotion. So how about doon sa mga looking for promotion with the King of Swords, the Ace of Cups, and the Hierophant? So I feel like meron ditong politika, no? Which means that I feel like you need to prove yourself more kasi meron silang somewhat na napupusukan na iba. I feel like na hindi naman kailangan natin sumipsep, na i-prove lang natin yung knowledge natin at kailangan makita nila yung sincerity. And for that, ma-achieve mo naman itong promotion. So how about dun sa ano ng increase, looking forward sa increase kanilang sahod, mukhang malabo, no? With the Tower, the Ten of Wands, and the Three of Pentacles, malabo kasi hindi dahil ayaw kang bigyan ng increase. Malabo kasi may problema din, no? Either ang company, so financial problem in here. So kung kulang yung nakukuha, hindi, paano nga naman sila magbibigay, no? So tiis-tiis lang ng konti, ang iyong hinahanap na increase is not on this season as well, no? So in general, tingnan natin. In general, for our air signs, the Four of Pentacles, the Two of Swords, and the Knight of Cups. So, mag-start na po tayong kumilos kung ano man itong goal natin kasi I feel like this is self-sabotage, no? If we really need to go somewhere, talk to someone, no? Medyo ibaba ang pride, no? With the Seven of Swords, medyo kailangan natin talagang sa atin mag-initiate. Huwag na tayo magpatumpik-tumpik. No procrastination. Kumilos po agad. Ayan. So when it comes to your lucky number, ang lucky number po natin is number 13. Ang lucky color po is black. So ayan po ang inyong reading for now. Air signs, and para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa kabilang channel po yun, at kung gusto niyo po ng sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel din po, no? So, air signs, kung meron po kayong mga katanungan dito po, no, sa comment section sa YouTube, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So this is your bonus reading. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.